This may look like the new one, but this is a 14-year-old digital camera. I know everyone's talking about the most hyped camera in the world right now, the Fujifilm x100VI, or how some people are calling it the x100vi, but I want to talk about the foundation it was built up from, the x100, not the x100v or the x100f or any of the other alphabet letters, but the first one, this one right here. Before we can see where we're going, we have to see where we've been. And I really just wanted to give this camera a try to see where the heritage of the X100 series started from. To know where we started is to appreciate what the new ones have to offer. I ordered this one off of eBay. It came in like new condition. This is what it would have looked like when you got the box for the very first time back in September 2010. Back when most likely your only choice to get one was to actually go into a store to buy it. Let's go over some of the specs of the Fujifilm X100. 12.3 megapixel APS-C X-Trans 1 sensor, 23mm f2 lens, 2.8 inch LCD screen with 460,000 dot resolution, 100 to 12,800 ISO capabilities with HD 720p video. Provia, Velvia, and Astia were the only 3 film simulations offered at the release date of the X100, versus the 20 film simulations offered on the X100VI now. When watching other YouTube videos about this camera, I always heard that this camera sensor was the closest thing to 35mm film that Fujifilm ever made. Nowadays, everything is so crisp and clinically clean that it lacks character. And I know many photographers that add in grain and halation back into their photos just so they can get what film gave naturally. I'll be taking this X100 out and seeing what I can create with it. I know some of you may be asking, is 12.3 megapixels even enough? Well, actually, it's larger than 4K. So this will still create great images for social media. Here are some of the images that I've taken so far. What do you think? Do they have some of that character that's missing in digital cameras that are coming out now? Let me know. I'd be curious to hear what your thoughts are. But it's not only about where we came from, it's where we are now. And with the new X100VI, that's right, I got caught up in the hype as well and got one of these. The future's now. I'm sure you've seen a ton of content on this camera already, so I won't be going over all the specs here. But the main 2 that I'm excited about is a 40 megapixel sensor and the 6 stops of in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. There will be more content coming with these 2 cameras, and I can't wait to get out and use them both. So if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe as it helps a ton. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.